Welcome to my channel. You know, today was a Wednesday, and I woke up thinking, I could sleep all day. I really could sleep all day. Wake up at 11, eat some food, take another nap. It could happen. But instead, I'm deciding to be productive. Not really productive, but I want to do something that's going to make a difference in my life, a difference in somebody else's life maybe. I don't know, but what I do know is that I have two very willing dogs. Puppy! Two very willing dogs. Oh, we're so happy. Yes, are we, Maggie? We're so happy. And, they were a little dirty. So, I was thinking that I would wash them? Question mark? This is Maggie. She's a boxer. Oh, hello, Maggie. What else? She's been a mama. Yes, she has. You got some puppies. I think she's 7. She's a purebred boxer. And this is Charlie. Hi, boy. Oh. Hello, you are so cute. He's a schnoodle, which is a schnauzer poodle mix. And he loves the ball. Isn't that right? Okay. He dropped this ball right here into the pool just so that I had to pick it up and throw it to him. He's a mastermind. Okay, here we go. Okay, you want it? You go crazy, ready? There he goes. Off to get his ball. And Maggie is unfazed. She does not care about ball. Ball is not life, Maggie, right? There he goes. Oh, did he get his ball? No, he's looking. He's looking for his ball. He just eats it up over these balls. But, they haven't been washed in a bit, and they're outside dogs, so they love, running around in the dirt, and they dig holes when they get hot. They just like running around a lot. I was thinking that we would wash them, and I have a few things. Okay, he's got the ball. I'm just gonna zoom in on this. He dropped it in the pool. The ball he just got. He just dropped it in the pool. Charlie Bear, what? Why did you do that? Charlie, why? He's like, please get it for me, Mommy. You see what I mean? He goes for one ball and he's a mess. What? Charlie! Okay. Go get it. Anyways, so materials. The first thing you're gonna need is a dog brush. If you don't have a dog brush, I'm sure any old brush will work. The second thing you need is gonna be a cup. Jack Skellington, whatever you have. And this is gonna be flea and tick soap. We don't have a lot, but we're gonna make it work. So we're gonna start right now. We're gonna let Charlie Bear chew on that. I'm gonna start picking all this stuff out of his hair. A little Alex cam. Charlie Bear is sitting nice and tight right here, and I'm just pulling all of these spurs out of his hair. When he went and got the ball, he got a bunch of them in his paws, so I'm just trying to gently take those out. Because he needs some pampering, right, Charlie? Oh, did I tell you how old he is? He's like 8 or 10 or I don't know, 9 maybe. Somewhere around those years. He's a good boy. Alright, Charlie Bear is brushed and ready to go. It's time for his wash. Also, it's really freaking hot out here, so if I look a little sweaty, it's because I am, and I'm hot. Anyways, let's wash this dog. Okay. I have a ball. I have water. Turn this down. Come on. Just need a dog. Come here. Charlie. This is gonna be harder than expected. Here we go. Just feel the water. No, feel the water. No, come back. Come back. No, 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 no. Oh, Charlie. This isn't working. This really is not working. So we're gonna go upstairs and try it again. Okay, so, you know, obviously, like, Charlie Bear's scared of the water. So we're gonna try it up here, and hopefully he'll be a little less, hopefully it'll be a little easier. But, you know, he's gonna be scared no matter what. But he's still cute. So, Charlie Bear's all done with his wash, aren't we, boy? He is so flipping wet. But instead of towel drying him like I would regularly, we're just gonna go outside because it's like 103 out right now. I know, California weather, right? Am I right? Am I right? So we're just gonna go, you know, set him outside. He'll be nice and cool for a bit, and then, you know, he'll dry out real fast. Alex can't. Charlie Bear just got outside, and he is just going crazy. Maggie's getting some water. Hi, guys. Bye, Charlie. Do you feel clean? Okay, he's out. Do you feel clean? Hope so. Just put a whole lot of work in. So I just washed Charlie, and we're outside sitting down. He's, you know, doing dog things, playing with his balls and whatnot. Maggie's over there looking scary. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna wash Charlie Bear today. It was a lot of work, and I don't want to take Maggie all the way upstairs and then all the way downstairs because I can't carry her and I don't want to get the house dirty. You know how that is. But it was a good time. Charlie Bear was scared. You can see that in the video. I was trying to comfort him the whole time, but you know, he just doesn't like baths. He's just not a bath boy. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Where's Maggie? She looks so happy. Can we zoom in on her? Oh no, I guess you can't zoom. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to my channel. You know, a lot of people have asked me like what my channel's gonna be like, and honestly, like, I don't know. Like, I think I'm just gonna have some fun with it and, you know, see how this turns out. Like, I'm trying to have a good time. But thanks for tuning in with me. Subscribe. Come back next time. Alright, bye.